Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mr. O'Keefe with an example on today's lesson. We're doing systems of equations. And this one's solving each system by graphing. We're looking for this point of intersection where the two lines that you graph come together. So I was going to do this first problem, number one, and then I want you guys to do this second problem over here, number two, and use the same process that I used for number one, and then you're going to turn it in, take a picture of it and turn it in on Google Classroom. So the way I graphed this orange line is I started with making sure it was in slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b form. Go to the y-intercept, which in this case is at positive 8. So that's right here is the y-intercept. So this is at 0, 8. And then what I did from there was I'm going to go ahead and try to make a slope triangle that's positive by rising 10 and then running 3, but it goes up off of my chart, off my graph. So instead, two negatives make a positive. So I'm going to drop 10 and then go back 3. So this slope triangle from here to here, it matches. It still ends up being up 10 and over 3, and it creates 2 points. And then I'm going to use my straight edge, draw that line, label the y-intercept, show the slope triangle, and then label the line. So with this other equation, y equals negative 2/3 x minus 4, start again at the y-intercept, which is down here at 0 and negative 4. It's right here. It's this guy. Okay, and then I'm going to either drop 2, go down, rise negative 2, and run positive 3, or I'm going to go up 2, positive 2, and to the left 3, which is negative 3. In this case, I'm going to do both. So that way I keep my slope triangles consistent. I have lines that are collinear on the same line. And then I'm going to draw a line to represent that and find the point of intersection, which right here is over 3, to the left 3, negative 3, and down 2. Right, so that's the solution to the system. That's why D is selected down here. Label this line 2/3 and it's negative x minus 4. Now, if you guys do the same thing over here, show those labels, looking for slope triangles, looking for the y-intercept labeled, and the point of intersection.